Okay, I think we got everything set. All right, go ahead.
Whoa. Hold up, Grant. Don't do it yet. Wait for Great Grandpa to tell you.
Yeah, I'm climbing too much. I got to trim it out some.
Should we call your mommy and show her what you're doing, Grant?
I'm not doing flying.
When you get the chance to fly. Hold on. Hold on, not yet. Not yet. Great Grandpa's gonna let Grant fly an airplane now. Okay.
Okay, Grant, you take over.
Turn left. Turn left. There you go. Okay. Bring it back around now. There you go. Don't let it get too far away.
How you doing? Let's see you do a loop now.
Uh-oh.
Do a loop. How was that?
Wait, what happened? I missed it.
He did a loop.
Hold on.
You want to try another loop?
Yeah.
All right, here you go. Do a loop. All right.
Uh-oh.
Flying pretty steady, huh?
So you gonna try to do another loop, Grant?
We'll give it a little more power and do a loop.
It's mid-morning.
Whoa! How'd you do that, Grant? What'd you do? Careful, careful. Don't let it get too far. Bring it back.
Let's get it up here really high, and then I'll turn this one over to him.
Look at him. Grant, Mommy's watching. You see that up there? Probably.
I'm not crashing it.
Hey, you wanna do a loop?
Ah.
Great Grandpa's helping him.
We're supposed to move.
Amanda says hi, Great Grandpa.
Well, hi, Amanda. Okay, now here we're up high enough.
Oh!
Careful, Grant.
Now I'm gonna bring it around, and I'll give you this transmitter. All right.
Very, very good.
Okay, here.
Uh-oh.
Set that transmitter down.
Set it down, Grant. Set it down on the ground. Grandpa's gonna give you the big one. Grant, put that one down. He's taking it over now. He's gonna let you have the other one.
Yeah, it's descending just a few. All right,
Grant,
here you go.
Now, Grandpa can't help you, so you have to be very careful. If he tells you to hand it back, you have to do it quickly.
All right, keep your eye on it now. I'm gonna turn around and take it away from us a little bit. All right, you ready? Get your eye on the airplane. Get your eye on the airplane. Don't do anything real fast.
Nice, easy turn.
Just level it out now.
Uh-oh, no.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, no.
Is it okay? Is it metal?
Huh?
Did he go nose down?
I don't know what he did.
Crash on the grass.
I think he
It's
just
made of
crashed.
metal, so it doesn't break easily.
You want to drive over and get it? Huh?
It's okay.
Get it?
Oh, go ahead.